Mastering personal space, a key skill for effective communication. Hello, language learners. Personal space is a fundamental aspect of nonverbal communication, especially when giving public speeches or presentations. Today, we'll be diving into the topic of understanding personal space and how you can use it to improve your delivery techniques and communication skills. Personal space refers to the physical space around someone that they consider their own. It's an invisible boundary that we all have, and crossing it can sometimes make people feel uncomfortable or invaded. Different cultures have different norms for personal space, and even within a culture, personal space can vary based on the type of relationship, the setting, and personal preferences. It's crucial to respect others' personal space, especially when you're speaking publicly or presenting in a group. There are typically 4 different zones of personal space. 1. Intimate zone. This is typically 0 to 18 inches from our body, and we usually only let close family, pets, or intimate partners get that close to us. 2. Personal zone. From about 18 inches to 4 feet away from us. This is the space for friends and acquaintances. 3. Social zone. From 4 to 12 feet away from us. This is where casual social interactions and group conversations occur. 4. Public zone. Beyond 12 feet. This zone is for speeches, lectures, and public performances. Understanding these zones can help you determine how close or far to stand from your audience when delivering a speech or presentation. When speaking in public, your use of personal space can have a significant impact on how your message is received. 1. Establishing rapport. Initially, maintaining a distance within the social zone can make your audience feel comfortable and respected. 2. Emphasizing a point. Occasionally stepping into the personal zone, if appropriate and possible, can make a strong point or create a sense of intimacy and connection with your audience. 3. Moving around. Use the space available to you to show dynamism and energy. This can also help maintain audience interest. 4. Respecting cultural differences. Always consider the cultural background of your audience. What's considered a respectful distance in one culture might be seen as distant or cold in another. And there you have it. Understanding personal space and using it effectively is a critical part of nonverbal communication skills. Remember, respecting others' space shows respect for them. Practice incorporating these skills into your presentations, and see the difference it makes. Thank you for joining us in this video, and keep practicing your English language skills.